Hello everyone, tie the hairs on the sides and then fix this beautiful hair clip. Now to fix its ribbon on the hairs, we will make the plaits. Tie the hairs carefully, take the hairs from the sides, join it like this in the lining waist to make the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. You have to fix the hairs in the same manner by making the plaits. Now after tying it till the end, we will take another section of the hairs on the sides and take another section of the hairs like this and then fix it as shown in the video. Now join them one by one as we are doing. After that, at the end we will tie all the hairs together and then make the plaits on it. Join them together like this by making a U or a curve like shape like this and then join them. Now tie them by folding it upward after making the plaits. Fix it. Tie the hairs on the sides like this. So first we will make the plaits on the very small section of the hairs by taking it from the front. Join them in the lining way. Fix it one by one. Now take it till the back and fix it. So take the hairs very carefully as we are tying it. Now we will join it at the back. Fix it as we are doing. Now make the ponytails. Rotate the hairs like this. Now we will make the plait by dividing it like this on the top and make a heart like shape. Fix it in the between. Spread the hairs a little bit. Tie it properly and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the sides in the small section like this. Tie them by keeping it aside on the top. Now make the plaits on it. Now again take the hairs on the back and then tie it like this. Now again we will take another section and join the plaited hairs. Now tie all the hairs together and make the plaits on it like this and tie it till the end. And your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You have to tie the high ponytail on the back like this. Now take these beautiful rubber bands as shown in the video, divide the hairs into two parts. Now divide the hairs on the upper side and then fold it on the downside like this after tying the rubber band and fix it. So now repeat the process till the end, divide the hairs, tie it on the downside and fix it till the end in the same manner like this. Keep repeating these steps for a few more times and your hairstyle will be ready. You have to follow this step till the end of the hairs and then tie it at the end beautifully and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the sides and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix it on the back like this. Now tie another section of the hairs from the back on the back like this. Keep repeating these steps for a few more times. Tie all the hairs. Now at the end, we will make the plaits by taking all the hairs like this. Join them in the middle at the back and make the plaits on the hairs totally. Take it till the end. You can fold it at the end, otherwise you can leave it as it is. Next, we have to tie the hairs on the sides like this and then take small section out of it on the top and then roll it using the fingers. Now take another section of the hairs, roll it from the sides and then fold it one by one and put the rubber band over it. Fold it carefully, fix it like this and tie it and make a flower like shape and then spread it using the fingers and it's ready. Thanks for watching.